The Rawle Axeback Titus Scholarship for Studies in Creative Arts or Cultural Entrepreneurship or Management honors the legacy of a true cultural titan of Tobago. This partial scholarship, which covers up to 100% of tuition and books for both full-time and part-time students, will be awarded annually to a deserving individual who embodies a passion for the arts and a commitment to community. This scholarship is in memoriam of a distinguished cultural icon, educator, and statesman whose lifelong dedication to the arts and public service left an indelible mark on the Republic of Trinidad and Tobago. The late Rawle Titus, who was born in January 1942 in Mount St. George, Tobago, began his journey with a childhood passion for performance, a spark that ignited into a career spanning over 6 decades. A natural leader, Titus founded the Mount St. George Youth Organization at just 16 years, fostering independent cultural participation for the island's youth. This initiative birthed several music groups under his direction. Mount St. George became a dominant force in the Prime Minister's Best Village Trophy competition, securing national championships in 1971 and 1972. Titus's individual artistry was equally formidable. As a calypsonian performing under the sobriquet Axeback, he was a 6-time Tobago Calypso monarch and a frequent national finalist. As a writer, from his early days as a lead actor in arts festivals plays to his later work as a playwright and poet, he was a master of the stage. As a visionary, he founded the internationally acclaimed Tobago Folk Performing Company, showcasing the island's rich heritage to the world. Beyond the stage, Titus was a dedicated educator and scholar. After graduating from the Port of Spain Teachers College in 1970, he pursued further studies abroad, earning a BA in Cultural Anthropology from Drew University. This academic foundation deepened his impact as a guardian of Tobagonian traditions. His commitment to his country culminated in high-level political service, during which he represented the people as a senator and served with distinction as Vice President of the Senate. The late Rawle Axeback Titus was more than a performer. He was a cultural stalwart who bridged the gap between community tradition and national policy. Rawle Titus passed away on January 2nd, 2023. He is remembered as a champion of folk arts, a mentor of generations of performers, and a statesman who carried the spirit of Tobago in everything he did.